Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Downshift. My name is Oris and today is a very exciting day because it's August 30th, the day that I am shipping off my turbo to Germany. And we are going TTE 710 for the Stage 3 Turbo. It's been so long, I'm so excited. And the point of today's video is essentially to document my process so you know what to expect if you are doing the exact same thing. Now, I'm in Canada, I'm shipping the turbo all the way to Germany. I'm crossing my fingers it's a month or two, but I guess we'll find out. So here it is out of the box. As you can tell, the compressor is a little bit damaged right there and there. The blades are kind of chipped. Apparently a piece of an O-ring may have been sucked in and it damaged it. There was no issues, but the owner said, hey, I don't want to risk it. He ordered a brand new one, and I bought this from him for a few $100 and I got a sick deal. Thank you so much. Wastegate is operational, no issue with that. This is completely fine here. As you can see, hot and cool side. So I think TTE is just going to bore this out a little bit bigger, if I'm not mistaken, and then they are going to replace the entire inside, which is why it's a hybrid and not a full brand new turbo, because this remains the same. Funny thing about this is the turbo is actually made in Hungary, because this is the box from the new one. And as you can tell, it is indeed a Volkswagen, so that is pretty funny. Again, guys, Volkswagen Group on the box, and here is my email. As you can see, I am number 614, and they tell you to put that on the box, which is exactly what I will do in just a moment. Order number 614. Wow, that is terrible writing. I'm gonna have to get a better pen because that was really bad. All right, so in addition to writing the physical order number on the outside of the box, there is a form. You probably can't see it too well, but basically it asks for your details, your personal information, so that they can ship the turbo back to you. If you are outside of the EU, they recommend UPS, TNT, or DHL Express. They say please attach a decent invoice and 3 copies on the outside of the box, and to declare a reasonable amount. So I will be doing that. The quotes I've had were about $500 Canadian, but again, inflation, the skyrocketing price of fuel, and yeah, it's expensive. Expensive, but definitely worth it. We're on stage 2 right now with 034 Motorsports. We're about 415 horsepower was my highest dyno. If I'm gonna go on pump fuel on 94, I expect about 500 wheel from this turbo and a tune. I know somebody who's going to do water meth injection with ethanol, and they're going to be 600 plus. So there's still a lot of power that will be made, and I'm just hoping summer doesn't end too soon. So let's go and ship this turbo.
2 weeks later.
Okay, and as you all have been waiting for, including myself, this is part 2 of the video, and that is because the turbo just arrived from Munich, Germany. It is September 19th, and I'll show you the proof right here. Hopefully you can see that. Yes, that's my car. I'm pretty lame like that on my wallpaper. Again, it just came from Germany. It came earlier today, but I waited a little bit because I was working. And so here it is right there, the TurboEngineers. Let's take a look at it because I haven't done so yet. Big reveal. Oh, okay, German, that's good. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Oh. Okay, so before we get into that though, I want to say that I'm super excited, and I know I say that in every single video, but I am so ecstatic that this came so quickly. I'll have it in before winter. The car is going stage 3, serious power. This is the biggest item that I'm putting on my car to date, the heaviest, the craziest, the most expensive. Somehow we did it. I honestly didn't think we'd get here, but we did. So let's just look at it. Packaging. Oh, this is nice stuff. This is good quality stuff. There's so much in here. Oh baby. Oh baby. What do we got here? Okay, this I definitely can't lift out with one hand. Can I? Let's see. Oh yes, I can. Oh, there it is. There she is. Here she is, boys and girls. Look how beautiful this is. This is all refinished. The turbine housing is either different or they respray it and refinish it. This is definitely bored out, completely different. The turbine was significantly smaller. It was like that maybe. Look at this. Oh my goodness, new turbines. And I just noticed these are actually dual. There's one here and there's one behind. I don't know if you guys can see that on video, but you see it right there. You got the red top there. That's how you know it's OG. They've marked all the stuff. Let's see the backside here. I'm trying not to ruin my floor at the same time because the actual compressor should be different. And yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's bigger. And man, does that look good. Look at it, spinny, spinny. Wow, look at that. The wastegate is the same. Looks like everything's been redone here. It's capped off there. Wow, this is good looking, baby. So here is the underside for you guys to see. I'm gonna give you a complete overview of this process here, of everything that there is. Look at the beautiful logo right here. That's how you know this is a hybrid turbo by the Turbo Engineers. And just to clarify, this is the 710 model. I didn't go with the 810 because I thought, hey, I don't need that much power. I'm not gonna be running ethanol all the time. 710 should suffice. And there's actually tunes right now, especially from 034, that I can flash right away. So here I am hanging out by my countertop with the turbo out in the open. The showpiece of the living room right now. It's absolutely stunning. I love the details. I'm constantly looking at little things that they've changed, and I notice so much of it is so different. And I think I might do a comparison side by side for when I take mine out. I don't know if I'll include it in this video, so just a heads up. If this is longer from this point, then you'll know that I did. But at this time, I do want to give a huge shout out to the Turbo Engineers. I messaged them a while ago and I said, guys, listen, I need this expedited because Canadian winter is coming and I won't do it if it's too late. Luckily, it is getting chilly, but there is still time. I am waiting on the high pressure fuel pump, on the map sensors, and on the turbo inlet. So once that is in, this can go in. I'll probably install it by myself with my brother. And then we're gonna do some runs. We'll flash it stage 3, most likely with 034. Then we'll take it to the drag strip. We'll do some street races in Mexico. And this is gonna be absolutely amazing. All right, so now to discuss the options that you have with the turbos. Sorry, I get caught up in playing with the fidget spinner here. So you can opt for the TTE 510, the 710, or the 810. I went with the 710 because it's the stage 3, it's over 500 wheel, and there are tunes readily available right now. If you go with 710, or sorry, if you go with the 810, that's the stage 3 plus, and there is nothing on the market. You have to go custom. There will be, but just not at this time. Now, once you've decided which turbo you want, you have 3 further options. So, option A is you can buy the entire turbo and the whole assembly, and you'll pay a little bit more money, but you retain your stock turbo. You can take that out and just swap the new one in. Now, there's 2 further options. So what I did, again, I got it off somebody. I still have my OEM one in my car, and they just send it, you send it over there and then they rebuild it. You are paying for the shipping, airfare, and fuel is at all-time highs, so keep that in mind, but you do save some on the back end from buying the entire unit as one. Finally, the third option is you take it out directly from your vehicle and you're without a car for about 3 or 4 weeks, and then they rebuild your turbo, you pay for the shipping again, they ship it back, and that's it. All right, to close this video out, I'm here on the floor. I'm with the stage 3 turbo. I'm probably gonna be sleeping with him tonight because I'm that thrilled. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Give us a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed. Consider subscribing because we're gonna be pumping out a ton more content even though winter is coming. Finally, comment, did I make the right decision with getting this? Should I have gotten the 810 instead? You let me know. Also, if you have one of these right now, tell me, what's it like? I haven't been in a car with this yet, but I'm expecting it's pretty amazing. Finally, I'm gonna say what DJ Khaled did because I really wanted to do this. A lot of people didn't believe in us. A lot of people didn't believe in me. They didn't think I would do this, but you know what? God did. Anyways, thank you again for watching, guys. Take care.